Time we would like to show our campus. So I request Praveen sir, please share the video. Yeah, thank you, Praveen sir, for giving such a wonderful video about Vardhaman College of Engineering. And chief guest will join another couple of minutes. So please bear the delay. Dear participants and the organizers, please bear the delay. There is a technical issue from the chief guest side. So our technical team is communicating, sir. So please bear the delay. Dear participants, please bear the delay. We are resolving the issue. So there is a problem, technical problem from the chief guest end. So please bear the delay.
జగన్ ఆఫీస్ ఉంటాడు గవర్నమెంట్ కాకుండా ప్రైవేట్ ఉంటాడు కార్యకర్తలు పార్టీ
Dear all, welcome to the valedictory function for AICTE-ISTE sponsored 1 week online refresher program on recent trends in intelligent systems from 27th to 2nd February. So there is a problem with the chief guest in Microsoft Teams installation and other. So we are doing the same part on phone. So I'm forwarding the proceedings to the J. Lakshmi. Please carry forward.
Sure, sir. A very warm good afternoon to everyone. I, A. J. Lakshmi, Assistant Professor in EC Department, VC, which is one of the leading institute in Telangana. Today, on behalf of the Department of EC, Vardhaman College of Engineering, I welcome you all to this valedictory function of 1 week online refresher program on recent trends in intelligent systems, sponsored by AICTE and ISTE, organized by Vardhaman College of Engineering. I now take this opportunity to invite and welcome all the dignitaries. And today's chief guest, Dr. P. Venkatramana sir, National Executive Council member for ISTE 2022-2024 and member of ISTE Telangana State Section and professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering, MGIT, Hyderabad. And program coordinator and head of the department, Dr. G.A. Satish Kumar sir, and my dear faculty and participants from the various colleges across all over the India. Now I request Saujanya ma'am, please introduce about the program coordinator and head of the department. Over to Saujanya ma'am.
Dr. GAE Satish Kumar sir has completed his bachelor's from SK University and master's from Gulbarga University. He has received his doctoral degree from JNTU Hyderabad in 2009. He joined as faculty in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Vardhaman College of Engineering in the year of 2015, where he is currently serving as professor and head of the department. He has a total of 22 years teaching experience. He has published more than papers in referred and attended 13 conferences, holds 5 patents, and supervised 2 PhD students. Currently, 5 PhD scholars are pursuing their doctoral degree under his supervision. His current research include image processing, signal processing, and communication systems. Now I request Dr. GAE Satish Kumar sir to continue the session.
Yeah, good afternoon all. I welcome all to the valedictory function of AICTE-ISTE sponsored 1-week online refresher program on recent trends in intelligent systems. So I welcome all the delegates for this valedictory session. I want to present a brief bulletin on the workshop which is conducting so far from 27th January to 2nd February. So we have conducted this meeting with the support of AICTE and ISTE, and the total registered participants is 103, and it is from different parts of the country. So from Andhra Pradesh, 26% are there, and from Telangana, excluding Vardhaman College of Engineering, 31% of participants are there, and Tamil Nadu 19%, Pondicherry 1%, Maharashtra 1%, Karnataka 3%, and Haryana 1%. So this is the state-wise analysis of participants. And on day 1, we had inauguration and keynote address, and chief guest is Dr. AVS Kumaraswamy Gupta, who is the National Executive Council member for ISTE 2024 and the Secretary cum Treasurer of ISTE Telangana State Section. And in the day 1, session 2 and 3, distributed intelligence systems and issues were dealt. And similarly, on day 2, the fuzzy set theory and their extensions, representations and model in computational intelligence. On day 3, we have artificial intelligence in wireless communication systems. On day 4, session 1 and 2 are having artificial intelligence based image processing and open source libraries. On the day 4, session 3, we have national education policy. Day 5, session 1 and 2, ambient intelligence systems in smart cities. And in session 3, heartfulness meditation. And on day 6, session 1 and 2, applications of artificial intelligence to scientific research. And now we are in day 6, session 3, that is the valedictory function followed by program assessment test. So the speakers, resource persons involved in this event is on day 1, Dr. Ranjay Hazara, Assistant Professor, NIT Silchar. On day 2, Dr. Malay Kumar Nath, Assistant Professor, Department of PCE, NIT Puducherry. Day 3, Dr. Rahul from IIT Dharwad. And day 4, Arpit Yadav, Senior Data Scientist, and Dr. Balwinder Singh from NITTR Chandigarh, who has taken National Education Policy. And day 5, we can see session 1 and 3 by Dr. Kiran Kumar Gurala, Assistant Professor, NIT Andhra Pradesh, and Dr. Shailesh Kumar, Chief Data Scientist, Center of Excellence in AAML. So who has taken about this heartfulness meditation. On day 6, today morning session was dealt by Dr. Kota Salman Razu, Senior Principal Scientist from NAL, National Aeronautics Laboratories, Bangalore. And now session 2 by Dr. Madhu Vadlamani, Data Analytics Expert. and a freelance practitioner. Now we are in session 3 on day 6. So if you observe that the total number of participants on every day will be, it is more than 90% participated in daily all the sessions, and the feedback we have seen is the total excellent feedback is 80% of the participant has given the program is excellent. And if you see that the average score is 4.4 on the scale of 5 given by the assessment analysis, that means the score is good. After the assessment, if you see that the average score is 4.4, that means all the participants are applying their skills which they have learned in the assessment also. Similarly, I thank the AICTE and ISTE for sanctioning this 1 week online refresher program and sponsoring funds, and so that we can conduct the program in a smooth way. So for that, I thank Professor Vijay Vaidya, the ISTE National Secretary from ISTE, and also I thank the management and the principal, Dr. J.V.R. Ravindra Garu, and advisory committee, that means all the heads of the department, and my co-coordinator, Dr. J. Krishna Chaitanya, and my organizing committee, Dr. Naresh, Dr. Pramod, Dr. Praveen, Mr. Jayalakshmi, and V. Jyoti, Sasvi Harini, and G. Srilekha, Dr. I. Babu, and Dr. M. Saujanya. And also I thank all the resource persons who have taken special interest and taken their expert lectures to the maximum extent, and for this successful completion of the workshop. Then not the least, I congratulate and thank all the participants. So even though this hectic schedule, they have enthusiastically participated in all the sessions, and they have learned so many things which we can see in the test result. So this is a brief report of this 1 week refresher program sponsored by AICTE and ISTE. I thank all the participants once again, and I hand over the mic to my colleague. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the kind words and brief report on the faculty development program. Now I request Jayalakshmi Madam to continue the session.
Now it's a great honor for me to introduce today's chief guest, Dr. P. Venkatramana sir, National Executive Council member for ISTE and member of ISTE Telangana State Section. Dr. P. Venkatramana sir has been working as a professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at MGIT, Hyderabad. He has graduated in Mechanical Engineering from Kakatiya University, Warangal. He has to his credit 2 MTechs, first in Industrial Metallurgy from NIT Warangal and the second in Production Engineering from JNTU Hyderabad. He has completed PhD in Mechanical Engineering with specialization in welding of advanced materials from JNTU Hyderabad. So far, he has published 25 papers in international and national journals and conferences. Professor Ramana sir has 18 years of experience in teaching at MGIT and 2 years in industry. Dr. Ramana sir has received several awards such as Weldwell Specialty Award for Best PhD Thesis, IT Mirchandani Memorial Research Award, HT Govindaraj Memorial Research Award, and D&H Serchian Award, IWS Award, and appreciation as Best Teacher by the management of MGIT. Dr. Ramana sir is the faculty advisor of ISTE Student Chapter, MGIT, and he was the convener of ISTE AP State Students Convention 2013. He is also Honorable Secretary of Indian Institute of Welding, Hyderabad branch. Once again, I welcome our today's chief guest, Dr. P. Venkatramana sir, and please address the gathering.
Sir Venkatramana sir, you can talk, sir, now.
Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Good afternoon to everyone. First of all, please accept my apologies for the technical glitch I am having to connect with you all through Microsoft Teams. and also bear with my voice. Suddenly got some throat infection. Maybe my voice is not that clear. So first of all, let me congratulate the Vardhaman College of Engineering, Department of EC, and all the coordinators for successfully organizing this AICTE-ISTE sponsored 1 week online refresher program on recent trends in intelligent systems. Then before I talk about the program, let me just say a few words about ISTE. So we all know that ISTE is one of the largest professional bodies that is there in India, with huge membership of teachers across all the polytechnics and engineering colleges. So it has been offering STTPs, the short-term training programs, and FDPs earlier. Then now it is offering self-financing FDPs. So to make more of the STTPs and FDPs to be conducted, ISTE has collaborated with AICTE to conduct these kind of refresher programs in advanced topics. So, and even ISTE is trying to collaborate with industry directly to take up training programs and collaborative programs with industry also. That action of collaborating with industry is in the pipeline. The Executive Council and the President, they are trying to involve the industry also into ISTE programs. And another important thing is that all the ISTE-sponsored programs, whether they are self-financed or collaborated with AICTE, they are recognized and they are valid for all the promotions that are to be that are there for the teachers. And this has been validated by the UCC also through one of their circulars. So, attending this kind of programs not only enhance the knowledge of the participants, but also has the end use of using it for their promotions also. Then recently, ISTE has introduced a membership portal where you can have the institutional membership as well as the life membership being done online itself. So that is one new facility ISTE has introduced. So you please encourage your colleagues and students also to make the membership of ISTE. Then coming to the program that is conducted for this 1 week, that is in the recent trends in intelligent systems. And this is one of the relevant topics that all the teachers and students should know and learn about. Why? Because as you know, now the intelligent systems are more relevant in the new industrial revolution, that is Industry 4.0. So wherein till third industrial revolution, it was about automation only. Now in Industry 4.0, we are thinking about the systems to think on their own. So now these kind of programs definitely impart knowledge into teachers and subsequently into the students about the latest trends that are to be learned. And we know that artificial intelligence and these intelligent systems, they are marked as the key emerging technologies as reported by World Economic Forum. So there is a need for all of us to learn more about these kind of advanced systems rather than the conventional systems that we have been learning so far. So it is a need of day. Why? Because right from the advanced areas like aerospace sector to the day-to-day sectors like medical or health, we require intelligent systems now. Because maybe you had exhaustive lectures from the eminent speakers on various systems like distributed intelligence systems, fuzzy logic, computational intelligence, and various sessions on artificial intelligence and applications. But now, as I said, right from the aerospace sector to our health system, in the aerospace sectors now, if you take especially in the defense sector, we know about a lot of missiles which leave the ground or air and hit the fixed targets. Now the materials are developed such a way that they are very smart, so they hit the dynamic target also, the moving target, the changing targets. So that can happen only when the missiles are fitted with smart systems which are intelligent enough to track the dynamic targets. So that is an advanced area where these intelligence systems are to be there. And like the day-to-day activity intelligence systems, I quote the example of health prediction. So till yesterday night I was right, and in the morning I felt that I am unable to talk. Like there was some improvement now. So we don't know how our health is going to be. So recently I was watching one Google program wherein they are coordinating with a lot of hospitals to take the data and predict the health of the person. So there also they are using intelligence systems to study the health of the person. Then, like for example, Google is collaborating with Shankar Nethralaya of Bengaluru, and they are developing systems where they can predict the health of the persons. So like that, there are several applications of intelligence systems, and of course, you have learned from eminent experts during this 1 week program. Maybe like what I quoted are basic examples. So I hope that you have all benefited through this 1 week program on recent trends in intelligence systems. And I once again congratulate all the organizers, and also I thank one and all for giving me this opportunity to talk with you. And please accept my apologies once again for not directly connecting with you over this team. So thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your words, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to thank our chief guest, Dr. P. Venkatramana, sir, who took the time out of his busy schedule and showered us with his words of wisdom and knowledge. We are truly honored by your presence, sir. So thank you once again. As a sign of our gratitude, I request Program Coordinator Dr. G.A. Satish Kumar, sir, and the Co-Coordinator Dr. J. Krishna Chaitanya, sir, to felicitate the chief guest.
Virtual felicitation, sir. So please accept our virtual felicitation. Thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
And the next proceedings handed over to Jaya, madam.
Thank you, sir. Once again, thank you for being with us. As we come to the close of our valedictory function, so I invite Dr. M. Saujanya ma'am to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected Chief Guest Dr. P. Venkatramana, sir, EC HOD Dr. GAE Satish Kumar, sir, and dear colleagues and audience, a very good afternoon and a warm welcome to all of you to this valedictory session of AICTE-ISTE sponsored 1 week refresher program on recent trends in intelligent systems. Over the last 5 days, we had deep insights into several concepts like machine learning, deep learning, blockchain technology, distributed intelligence systems, fuzzy set theory, national education policy, and so on. On behalf of our Vardhaman Engineering College and the audience, I would like to thank Day 1 Chief Guest, Dr. AVVS Kumaraswamy Gupta, sir, for the keynote address, Dr. Ranjay Hajra, Assistant Professor, sir, for his enlightening session on distributed intelligence systems, issues, perceptions, and approaches. Dr. Malay Kumar Nath, sir, for his wonderful lecture on fuzzy set theory and their extensions. Dr. Rahul Jashwant Bhai Pandya, sir, for the amazing lecture on artificial intelligence in wireless communication systems. I would also like to express sincere appreciation and gratitude to Arpit Yadav, sir, for lecture on artificial intelligence-based image processing and open source libraries. Dr. Balvinder Singh Dhaliwal, sir, for the enlightening session on national education policy. Dr. Kiran Kumar Gurrala, sir, for his wonderful session on ambient intelligence systems and smart cities. Dr. Sailesh Kumar, sir, for the amazing session on heartfulness meditation. Kota Salman Raju, sir, for his enlightening session on applications of artificial intelligence to scientific research. Madhu Vadlamani, sir, for the wonderful session on applications of artificial intelligence to scientific research. I also wish to express my gratitude to Vardhaman College management, our principal sir, Dr. JVR Ravindra sir, EC HOD GAE Satish Kumar sir, for providing the encouragement and support to organize this faculty development program. I also want to thank our technical team, Dr. Naresh, Dr. Praveen Kumar, Dr. Aibabu, organizing team A, Jayalakshmi, V. Jyoti, Dr. Pramod Kumar, V. Harini, G. Srilekha, and non-teaching staff members, K. Krishna Kumari, Sai, and all the resource persons for their immense support. I also wish to express my sincere gratitude to all the participants for their active participation and frank discussions, which I think have made this faculty development program very fruitful. Now I request Srilekha Madam to continue the session.
Good afternoon to everyone. In the chat box, you can find feedback link, overall feedback link for the program and overall assessment test for the day. It will be enabled till 5 o'clock. Please fill the forms on the time.
Thank you one and all. And at outset, I would like to thank coordinator, head of the department, Dr. GAE Satish Kumar sir, for giving me the opportunity for organizing this sort of event. And I'd like to extend my thanks to the principal, Dr. JVR Ravindra sir, and management members of Vardhaman College of Engineering. So thank you one and all. And final thanks and a grand thanks to all of my team, those who participated directly or indirectly in making this event a grand success. Thank you one and all. Signing off. AICTE-ISTE sponsored 1 week online refresher program on recent trends in intelligent systems from 27th Jan to 2nd February 2022. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir.
And can you send the feedback link to the mail, because we are not seeing the chat box. No message we are receiving from in the chat box. So kindly send the feedback link